Hey, welcome back to Dude and His Drone. So today we are looking at the Skydio RC Tablet Holder Pro. So Skydio sent me a bunch of accessories to try out. So this is the first of many videos in which I'm going to be testing and trying out their products. So this is the product right here. It's the Pro RC Tablet Holder. And it's pretty easy to get on and off. I say that and then having trouble getting it off. There we go. Just like that. And it's comparable to DJI's own tablet holder, but this one's gonna run you 35 bucks, where DJI's is gonna cost you about 50 bucks. But the cool thing about it, right? I'll show you how easy it is to install, or how not easy it is to install. Oh my God. Maybe I don't have this lined up right. There we go. So lined up in the center. There we go. But the cool thing I do like about it, these little tabs come up and then you can stick your phone on it too. Just like that, bam. Now, I have a pretty big phone, so that fits nice in there. But one bad thing about this is that it won't fit an iPad mini. So we have a mini here, iPad mini. This is in my mount, and it won't fit normally, but it will fit vertically, which works just as fine. So you would fit that like that, and then just turn it sideways. There you go. It's a little off center, but it works. And yeah, you want to make sure that's tightly on there. But one thing I'll say I'm not particularly happy about is these are where the lanyard mounts are. They're on the back, where I like them here, because this right here balances well, where this we're gonna put one of my lanyards, just like a regular lanyard. It's not gonna sit well. It's just, so it's got its problems, but it's 35 bucks, works for your tablet, it's plastic. And if you get their case, it fits nicely in their case. So that is the Skydio RC Tablet Holder Pro. If you guys are interested in it, it's down in the description. You can get a link, go to Amazon. And if you click on that link, it does provide me with some kickback. So appreciate you guys doing that for me and helping support the channel. We're going to be doing a bunch of these, so this is the first video. Please like and subscribe so that you can see the rest on this series of Skydio products that I'm going to be doing a demonstration and showing you what I think about them. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you next time.